I'm going to show you how to cut the cord in time for Father's Day with an awesome high-tech charging valet. Hi, I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Grant. Great to be with you. I hunt down the biggest deals you will see anywhere. And less than a week from now, I'm going to be a dad. That's a scary thought, but I'm very excited. My wife's due date was originally June 25th, but our little daughter and our first child is apparently a gymnast. She's breached. She's got her hands over her head, very healthy, but the C-section is now scheduled. So I am looking for a way to quickly get everything organized. And my inspiration for today's deal is actually something that I saw my dad with when I was growing up. He had this charging valet. And in his case, it was a way to keep his belt clips, his ties, his Timex watch, his phone, all organized in a systematic drawer. This has now been updated for the new age, which is a way to accommodate all of your charging cords for your smartwatch, your smartphone, and that high-tech organization that dads, moms, and grads need. Let me show you the charging valet. If you are tired of seeing messy cables, well, this is a way to organize your belongings. It is the Mel & Company wooden charging valet. They're usually retailing for somewhere between 70 and 100 bucks just because this is one of those high-end companies. I did find the price for under 45, and this offers customized storage with more modern amenities. So while my dad might have been doing this for his regular watch, this would be great for your smartwatch, your rings, really whatever it is that you need to keep organized. Goes inside a drawer or on top of a dresser. You get your choice of 2 different finishes. And I will tell you, it's the ultimate Father's Day present, also a great gift for a grad. I also love the way the charging valet cuts down on cord clutter. So if you have different watches, yes, you can use your watches. You can set them up however you want. You have that additional one. But on your smartphone, if you have something that's NFC enabled, like a Samsung or even the iPhone 10, just string your cord through. I'll show you how good this looks. And yes, you power your tablets, your Fire tablets, your iPad, whatever it is you use. But here we go. It's charging now without the cords. It just looks really good, really well organized. And if you don't have a charge pad or your device doesn't support that, that's totally cool. You can just simply take whatever cord it is you're using to charge and then put it into your device and it would look something like that. It's great, it's streamlined, it's organized, and it's a very elegant design. The slots, the compartment, the finish is great. The fact that it's iPad ready, smartphone ready, you have your tablets, your tech. It's constantly something that you can use to reorganize. And more importantly, with the cutouts, who doesn't want a hole in their life, where you can keep your whole world organized, this is a great way to get it done. I really like the price. In this case, you're paying for a finish. The company that's been behind this, the Mel & Company, they've been designing valets since the year 1912. So this is the modern finish, and this is also a really nice presentation. This wouldn't only be great for a Father's Day gift, it's a really good housewarming present. I've seen these in some really expensive high-end hotels, so yeah, it could bring a modern amenity organization to your life. So my big question for you, and I love everyone who's watching, I really love the comments and I love reading through them. What is it that you would put in here? Anything strange? Anything that you just are always finding you need to keep better track of? For me, I travel a lot, so just keeping my passport, I can actually hide it in a drawer with this. That's a good way to keep it saved and stored. And some of the tech cords that I'm tired of seeing dangling all over the place work really well with this. So that's what I use it for. I hope you find some utility in it. We're going to go back to some more tech deals right around the corner. A reminder, if there's anything else that you want me to test or hunt down a deal for, just hit me up. It's an honor to have you here. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, there is a very easy way to get subscribed. Click on my head right here. That'll subscribe you to this channel. If you need help turning on your notifications or leaving a comment, click here. And that last big deal that I featured, I hope you didn't miss it, but if you did, it's okay. It's right here.